Hi everyone. Okay, today we're going to have a look at setting up a WordPress blog in less than 10 minutes. It's something we get asked to do quite frequently at Candy Sky. Sorry, not to set up a blog in 10 minutes, but to set people up on WordPress. It's a increasingly popular blogging platform, but it's also, because of its popularity, it's actually turned into more of a website content management system. So you get quite big websites built on WordPress now, and again just through, like I say, the popularity of it. So that's something we're going to attempt to achieve in less than 10 minutes. A little bit of a challenge for me, but not really, because I'm confident I'll do it. Right, just to prove it's going to take less than 10 minutes, I have got my very own little countdown timer, and we'll start that in 3, 2, 1, off you go. Now, below this video there'll be a link to Bluehost, which is a hosting company that we've used at Candid Sky a few times. Certainly somebody would trust. So if you click that link, that'll take you through to this screen, which you need to just click sign up now, and that'll take you through to register a domain. So if we go for let's say 10min website, I think I've spelled that right, .com. My spelling's awful, I tell you. Right, 10minutewebsite.com's gone, but it gives you a lot of alternatives, so we'll go for best10minutewebsite.com. That'll do, because it will be the best. So that'll take us through to this page. Congratulations, the domain you've requested, best10minutewebsite.com, is available. Right, okay, it gives you the other options of buying.net, .org, .info, .biz, which, to be honest, I wouldn't say you need any of them. As a general rule, I'd always go for .com, because it's the one that gets indexed more often as not than at the top of the search engines anyway. So then it's just a case of filling in your business details. United Kingdom. Just in case you're wondering, this should be blanked out, this these details, otherwise you'll be able to go and do something ridiculous with my money, like buy some Sunderland tickets, which would be a complete waste of my money. Right. Let's put my phone number in, email address. You can see now why I needed 10 minutes, can't you? I'm not the quickest of typers. Right, okay, account plan, 12 months, will cost $6.95, which works out at roughly £4.30, I think. So we'll go for that one. We'll uncheck the other options because you don't really need them. Oops, accidentally pressed that. You don't really need them as yet. It's just a case of typing in your card details, so the long number would be first. Expiration date, which is 06/2077. Obviously that's a lie, or is it? Right, tick I confirm I've read and agreed to the terms and conditions. Go to the next screen. Yep, that's worked. Congratulations, your purchase was successful. A confirmation email will be sent to my email address. That's brilliant. So that summarizes all of the information we need there. So it's gone over the account information, billing information, and your package information. choose a password for your account, which is the next step. Before you can log into your account or use your new hosting features, you first need to create a secure password. Please note this password and your hosting payment information, as these are used for your account verification purposes when contacting bluehost.com support. Okay, so we'll go through and create a password, and normally these things are ridiculously secure. So new password, we will, oops, that was a mistake. Right, so we'll put in a password to start with. Right, so then we've got the please enter your domain. Your password has successfully been updated. Please enter your new password and relog in. So domain is best10minutewebsite.com, which you already know, and then we'll put my password again. So that's just logging us in properly. Right, so that takes us through to the C panel, which don't be overfaced with this. Just get rid of that welcome message, we don't need that. So if you go straight down to software and services, you'll notice here it says WordPress. If you click that, let's have a quick look at the timer. Oh, got 4 minutes left, best hurry up. You've been selected for a special site lock offer. Just click no thanks, I'm not interested, even though there's a massive advertisement in your face. Don't always like that. They like pushing things in your face. Right, okay, so that's all set up. Click install. Which version of WordPress selected? So we've done all that. Just check I have read the terms and conditions, complete. I'd like to go into a little bit more detail with this, but they're not hugely important right now. Okay, so this shows you the site URL, the login URL, the username and the password. So if you just remember the username is admin, and if you select your password and copy, and then following through to the login URL, then password was admin, and you paste in the password. You don't need to click remember me for now, because you can change the password in the admin at a later time. So this is the back end of WordPress. So let's just quickly see how much time we've got left. Oh, 2 minutes 39, brilliant. Yeah, so most of the navigation for WordPress is on the left hand side here. So you have posts, media, links, pages, comments, appearance, plugins, users, tools and settings. They're mostly just the out of the box things that come with WordPress. But you can, through things like adding new plugins, you can increase the navigation and the power of your blog within WordPress. But just for the sake of this 10 minute video, we'll just add a blog post, and we'll call it, oh, it's taking a second. Yeah, we'll call it my very first blog post, and in here we will put hello to everyone watching this. Hope you find it of some use. Davey B. Right, so, and we have 1 minute 11 seconds left, so why not just let's add a picture here, upload a photo maybe. Blue Hills is always a popular one. Insert into post and publish. And now if we click view post, that'll take us through to see our shiny new blog with my very first blog post. There you go. You can change the theme, you can do a lot with WordPress, but there you go, there is a 10-minute blog. And just to prove it, we have 22 seconds left. Let's just stop it on 19 seconds. So there you go, I had 19 seconds to spare. I probably could have done a little bit more if I'm honest, but that's how simple it is. And to any small business out there that want to at least venture online and look at getting a website up there or a blog, it can be that simple. You can obviously have the support of a professional agency to get these type of things done, but if the budget's not there and you have to do it yourself, there's a little bit of upskilling there to do it. But to be honest, that's how you can get a very simple blog up and running at a very low cost. And like I say, using somebody like Bluehost, who we recommend anyway, it's an absolute doddle. It's not hard at all, and I've just proved it because I've done it there with 19 seconds left to spare. So I hope that was of some use to you, and all that's left to say really is happy blogging.